Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into a problem that can stump even the most seasoned programmers. Picture this. You're faced with a tricky situation in your code, and it seems like there's no way out. That's where the solution we'll be discussing comes into play. Let's unravel this problem together and find out how to tackle it head-on. In the solution provided, the key lies in understanding how the comma operator works in C++. When we use first, void current, we're harnessing the power of the comma operator to ensure that a specific overload is called. By manipulating the types of the operands and introducing a void cast, we steer clear of any unwanted overloads. This clever little trick ensures that the comma operator behaves exactly as intended, without any surprises along the way. So, how exactly does this solution work its magic? Well, by strategically casting one of the operands to void, we effectively rule out the possibility of any unexpected operator overloads interfering with our code. This simple yet effective technique guarantees that the comma operator always follows its standard behavior, providing a reliable outcome every time. It's a neat little hack that can save you from unnecessary headaches down the line. In summary, we've uncovered a smart technique to wield the comma operator with precision and confidence in C++. By casting one operand to void, we eliminate the chance of unexpected overloads and ensure smooth sailing in our code. So next time you encounter a similar challenge, remember this handy trick and breeze through your coding dilemmas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below.